What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is 5:30 at night. I want to get out and explore the city a little bit, show you guys something new. But before we get started with today's vlog, I need to tell y'all thanks for something. Check this out. 4,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm thankful for that. I'm grateful that 4,000 people are tuned in, and it's just exciting and motivating to see how far I can take providing value, but also just loving this art form of vlogging. So this only motivates me. I'm happy that this is even possible in life, and I'm just gonna keep on taking it to more levels. I appreciate all y'all support so far though. So yeah, before we get started with this vlog, hit that subscribe button for me and also hit that notifications bell because I do post daily content. So yeah, let's get started. Let me show you guys what it's looking like outside. The sun is setting. It looks pretty outside. So here goes the vibes. Got the Christmas tree right there. But yeah, I want to show you guys something new, so let's go see what that's going to be for today's vlog. All right, so here goes an apartment that is available. Got an AC unit right there. Closet space. You got one long shelf. You got some ground storage. Then you got a rack. You got a mounted TV on the wall right there. It's a Sharp brand. And you got a medium-sized fridge right here. Washing machine. It's not a dryer, it's just a washing machine. Yeah, you got a nightstand over here, only on one side of the bed. Okay, pull it from the bottom. Yeah. Got an AC remote right here. Switch on the side of your bed that can control a couple of the lights. A sink, one hot plate. This doesn't close right now, but some cabinetry. Oh, you got pots in here already. Then, yeah, more cabinetry. You got this dining table right here with a view. This is facing south, Dominic. Your window is caged, but you can still push out the window for some fresh air. And then here goes the restroom. Your toilet is inside of glass, and then your shower is outside of glass. Let me know how you guys feel about that. Is that a deal breaker, or does that work for you? Then you got a sink right here, towel rack over there, some hanging knobs, and then you have another openable window for ventilation. And then a dual holder for any of your hygiene stuff. So yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this apartment. Let me find out the price for you though. 1 second. All right, so that apartment costs $6 million per month. Do you guys think that's worth it? If you want to know more information about it, here is the name of it. And my seaside. Okay guys, here goes another building. Got a bed right here. Got a balconette over there. Sony TV. Air conditioner. Okay. We got the closet space. I'll put it up here too. And then you have a dining table right here. You got a kitchen, medium-sized Toshiba fridge, microwave. I don't see any burners. Got a lot of storage space. This place is very close to the beach. Plates, a sink. What is this view? Oh, this just views the apartment grounds. Oh, but does it open? No, it doesn't open. It's not your balcony. You can open this though for some fresh air. A lot of cabinetry. The appliances are a little rusty. The bathroom is nice though. Nice marble finish. Yeah, the bathroom is nice. Toilet. Your shower has a door. You get some ventilation where your shower is. Towel holder. Yeah, it's nice. And then I'll give you guys a view out of the window a little bit. You have a nightstand right there. And then this is your view out of your window. But the beach is directly that way. It's just like a 2-minute walk that direction. So your window is basically facing west. The beach is east, 2-minute walk. All right, and then you have, that doesn't open, but you got storage space right here. Yeah, I'll find out how much this costs, guys. $13 million per month, not including electricity and water. Okay, come on. So that place I just toured is this right here, Dana Residence. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys think this one is worth it. But I'm about to go get some dinner now. Appreciate y'all making it this far. Yeah, I just wanted to be productive and show you guys some options in the city today. So hopefully I helped. Let's go get some food now. All right, guys, so I'm at this local food restaurant, great prices, and they give you a lot of food. I'm gonna show you guys what it is now. Check it out. Here it is. Got an egg right there. A few different types of meats. And some rice, and I got some cabbage under that egg. So this was 40,000 dong, guys. I'll put the conversion on the screen. It's not bad. I'm at least gonna get full. All right, guys, so I'm at the next place now that's local to me, drinking a mango smoothie for 15K. It's amazing. It's not small on size, it's the size of my hand. Local deals are the way to go if you want to pay the prices that the locals pay. All right, my last purchase of tonight is a fried banana. Check this out. Watch how much this costs. One of these. Got it. So yeah, these only cost 6K per. I love these. All right, guys, so I am back home now safely. I hope I showed y'all some informative things during today's video. It's always on my mind as soon as I wake up. But yeah, today was productive for me. Tomorrow I'll start releasing new music, so I'm looking forward to that. And I'll just keep the vlogs going too. So I'm good. I hope everybody watching is good and are in good holiday spirits, man. I'm just about to edit this vlog now and relax the rest of the night, brainstorm, and just enjoy some peace, you know. But always remember to buy into your dreams though, guys. I just reached 4,000 subscribers, so hopefully I'm being a source for you guys to see that chasing your creative dreams is possible. Just keep buying into your dreams, stay confident, stay consistent, and I will see y'all tomorrow in the next one, man. I appreciate y'all. Peace.